Hey everyone, this is going to be a video of our new house. It's just going to be a quick walkthrough. We have three dogs. I don't know if you guys saw those in the other videos. But we have three miniature dachshunds. That's Vienna, that's Eugene, right here, and Penelope's in the back. She's our old lady. So we sold our old house and moved out a couple miles north to get a little bit more room. But yeah, I mean, these first things first, the big windows in the front let in a ton of natural lighting. We love it. Here's our dining room area and our buffet. Here's our kitchen area. We painted the cabinets, put on some new hardware, put on some new light fixtures, and hung those shelves, new sink and all that stuff. Still more to come there for sure, but just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of where we are right now, and then the later videos will show you the upgrades. That's a cool little record cabinet that I got from Facebook Marketplace. It was built in the 60s and it actually still works, so it's really cool. Here's our bedroom. So we have a ton of light as well. Really just kind of basic, but just a nice bedroom. Here's our bathroom. This is probably the grossest bathroom I've ever seen. We have a ton of inspiration and a ton of ideas that we want to do for here, put in a double vanity and all that stuff, so really looking forward to getting that done. Hopefully that's going to happen this winter, but we will see. Walking over here, this is the garage area, so this is kind of where I just put a lot of my tools and a lot of the yard tools, and really just storage for the moment. Not sure what we're going to be doing with it long term, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. As we come upstairs, you can see my desk on the right side. I have a couple monitors, and it's a sit-stand desk, so I try to stand as much throughout the day as possible. I have a bad back, so sitting all day really messes me up later in the day and takes away some of my mobility. But yeah, that couch on the right-hand side, it's a really cool couch that you can just sit at, have a cup of coffee at, take a break from work, and just read a book. Here's my wife's office. I love the decorations that she's picked out for it, and all the just the pattern of how she hung everything on the wall. I feel like it all ties it together really well. And this is our spare bedroom. This was actually the first room that we finished in the house. I'm not sure why we chose this one, but hey, whatever. At least we have people that can stay the night whenever they need to. This is the second bathroom that we have. Again, it's disgusting and it needs to be completely renovated. Still not sure if we're going to be doing like a copycat from the main bathroom or if we're going to be doing something pretty bold, but we still want to figure that out. And here's the basement. So as you see the walls and all the trim and everything like that, the whole house used to look like that, and it was creepy. The house was built in the 90s, and I don't think anything has ever been touched since then. And there was just a lot of outdated stuff. Like all the hardware is outdated, all the trim needed to be painted. It was crazy. So here's some of my tools. This is another storage area, trying to figure out what we want to do with it. We have the washer and dryer and the laundry sink down there, all the HVAC and water heater and stuff like that. But just really trying to figure out what we want to do with that. If we want to move the wall back some more to make this space smaller, then make the livable, or I guess the enjoyable space of the basement bigger, we still don't know. So we have a small fitness area, trying to figure out if we want to make that into a bigger area, maybe put down some rubber matting and all that stuff on the ground, or make it into another like basement living room area. Still don't know on that one, but there's more to come. So yeah, a main reason why we moved out this area was to get into a bigger house and have a bigger yard. So since we have those three miniature dachshunds, we wanted them to have enough space to run around and enjoy it. And I think this gives them plenty of space to do so. We have a decent sized deck. There's Eugene again. And that hot tub that we had, that you guys just saw, that actually came with the house, so that was a kind of a pretty cool deal. A lot of stuff that I missed, but I just wanted to end on showing you guys some pictures of the house in the listing. That kitchen, I can't believe it used to look like that versus what it looks like now. This is just a video of us throughout the painting process, another picture of us throughout painting process. And then this is some pictures of what the house looked like after the paint and right before we moved in. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.